Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how to turn on sensitive content on Telegram, so let's start. First step is go to Google. Then go to search and type Telegram web. And press enter. Now tap on this and you will go to Telegram. Now set your country and your phone number. After that you will go to this. Then tap on this 3 lines. And go to settings. Now scroll down to find privacy and security. When you find, tap on that. And again scroll down to find sensitive content. And check to turn on. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.